Hello and welcome to this video tutorial that's going to show you how to unlock a BlackBerry phone. I'm going to be giving multiple combinations to help unlock different types of BlackBerries. In this case we're going to concentrate with any BlackBerry that has a keyboard or a slide out keyboard. At blackberryunlocking.biz you can get yourself an unlock code. All we need is your phone's IMEI number, which is under options. Then you go over to device, then device and status information, and there you see the IMEI number. This number, 15 digits long, copy it as you see it onto our website, and the other bit of information that we need is the PID code. Now the PID code is on a label. I'll just show you this one on the phone. In this scenario here it's a little bit blurry, but it's a number on the first number on the top left, PID, and it's made out of 5 numbers and then 3. With those two bits of info we can make you a unlock code. The next thing that you do, normally on some phones you need to switch off the wireless first, and we do that by just switching that off. There you go. And remember that we need to switch it back on when we're finished with it. The next thing is we're going to send you a code. Actually, we're going to send you 2 codes. The reason is there's 2 types of locks that are on a BlackBerry. So you go into options, and then you go into device, then you go into advanced system settings, and then you go into SIM card. On this screen, normally, let me just see if I can. Right, I've activated this screen already because I've tried this and now I see this detail, but normally you will see just that top bit at the top. And what you do to disclose this extra piece of information is there's 2 possible combinations. One of them is MEPD on the keyboard, and then you'll notice the screen changing to this list. The other one is by holding caps, that's the A and an up arrow, and then typing in MEPD whilst at the same time always holding down the caps key. Once you've done that, you're going to see this list. On this list you need to look out for 2 of the lines here. The first one is network. If it's active, your phone is locked. If it's disabled, then in theory your phone is unlocked. Or it could be service provider. If either of those 2 are active, then we've sent you a code as well for service provider. Now, to unlock active, we need to type in MEP and then the number 2 on the keyboard. And to unlock service provider, oops, let me get that back. To unlock service provider, we need to type in MEP4, the number 4. Now, to type this in, there's 2 ways of doing it. The first one is just to type in MEP, then you hold down Alt and you keep it down, and then you press the 2. And what's going to happen, as you can see here, it's asked for the code. We're going to go back a step and we're going to repeat the other way of doing it, which is holding down Alt and then typing in MEP2. And again, it's worked on this phone also, where it now asks us for the code. If you were doing the service code, it would have been MEP and then the number 4. So now we type in the code. Do not copy this code into your phone. It is a unique unlocking code for this mobile. It will not work on your phone. So bear with me. We don't need to hold down the Alt. The code is all numbers, and we just start typing in the unlocking code, which is in this case 7705 96 20 50 59 63 78. Now, before I press enter on this code, I should point out that on the screen here we can see that it says 10 left. This means we've got 10 attempts. If we get it wrong 10 times, we will end up getting down to 0. And after that, your phone can no longer be unlocked with a code, and it is technically permanently locked to the network that it was set up for, in this case T-Mobile. However, we do have a adapter that you can use in between your SIM and your phone. You just sandwich it in the middle, and this little chip here will basically allow you to use any SIM card, even if you've only got even if you've got 0 tries left. Now, because I didn't pay attention to the phone or press enter, it turns out that now I need to type in the code again, because the code clears itself automatically if you leave the screen without unattended and you don't press the enter key. So let me just type it in again. So we have 96 20 50 59 63 78. So now we just press the enter key and we will see the message code accepted. There you go, and you notice that the network has gone from active to disabled, and disabled is a good thing. It now means it's unlocked. I will be able to put any SIM card into this phone and basically use any network with it. Now, don't forget that we need to go back into the network settings and activate the network so that the phone connects. Sometimes even doing this doesn't get it connected. So what you need to do is take out the battery and put it back in, and that will reset the phone and your phone will be unlocked. So head over to blackberryunlocking.biz. We make unlocking codes in about 2 minutes on average. You get it by email with these instructions that you've seen here, and if anything goes wrong, we're online at the other end of email and also through our chat system on our website. So thank you very much for watching. Do give this video a like and a thumbs up if you found it useful to you, and any comments are welcome. Just go ahead and ask your questions and we should get back to you pretty quick and reply back to you. Thank you. Take care.